Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a contact form to our Wix site. To do that, we need to go over here to the top and click on Edit Site. There we go. Now we are going to the left where it says Add. We are going to click, and on the list we are going to go to Contact and Forms, and we are going to select a contact form. We could use any of the styles we want. In this case, I'm going to choose this one. Click with the left mouse button, drag, and we are going to release on our site. There we go. Now, if we select the form, we have a few options to work with. We have form settings, and we have the submission tables. On settings, we can change the name of the form, tweak the email notifications, submission tables, form submission limits, autofill form, and subscribe double opt-in. In submit message, we can change the submit message to show and when the visitor submit a form shows a success message. Go to the site page or lightbox, link to an external URL, and this is one for the Pro version. And how long should the message show after submission? 8 seconds or always? Some payment and conditions can be added. The contacts, we can select the labels, and here we can choose which of the information will be used on the contact creation. We can select some automations to do for the emails and some tags to be created as well. Here we can add a new field, and on elements we can select what we are going to add to our contact form. We have quite a few options: checkbox, positions, company, birthday, and so on. We have some basic fields like short answer fields, long answer fields, numbers, and so on. And some advanced fields that are for the Pro version, and anti-spam options, which is a reCAPTCHA. We are going to add that one. And then we are going to go to layout, and here we can select the text layout. We can show the field titles, field title paddings, space between the field and the title, the alignment of the text, the placeholder padding, the layout of the form. It could be 1 or 2 columns, space between the rows, and space between the columns. And on design, we can select a different design, or we could customize the one we have. And in this case, we can select to change in the regular, hover, focus, and error, as you can see, of the different moments of our contact form. Here we have the field color and opacity. We have the borders, color, the style of the borders could be none, all sides, or only on the bottom, the width of the border, the radius. We can add a shadow, and on the text here we can change the color of the font if we want, the opacity for the required, which is this one right here, and select the theme, the type of text, the font, the size of the fonts. We could add some decorations, bold, italic, and on the input text we can change the color of the placeholder and the input color, theme, font, and font size in the same manner. And this can be done so as well if we choose the hover, for example, can be changed mostly in the same manner. We have animations if we want to add to the contact form, and we can also change every field individually by going to, for example, layout, and we can select where the alignment of this text is going to be, mostly on the same manner as on the general options. In this case, we can change the name, fields, missions, add a condition rule, and connect this form field in your contacts list, first name. And if we edit field, we can change the title, we can show the initial text or a placeholder if we want, check it to be required, and set a character limit to the option as well. And for the button, can be changed mostly in the same manner, alignment, settings. We can show a success message like this one, and the duration and so on, and we can change the design of the button. We can select any type of button or customize it mostly in the same manner as the fields. There we go. So that's it. We have learned how to add a contact form to our website in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might help on the sites. See you the next time on Polytech.